love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Libra reading for the month of May. Here we go. Kamusta? Kamusta? Sumasabog. The masculine energy is overthinking the relationship with his person right now, and he wants to make a decision to end yung mga worries niya about this relationship. Okay? There has been a tower moment, ending of the relationship because of conflict, and this connection doesn't feel stable. Okay? Nagkaroon ng movement, moving forward, moving on. Okay? Or someone wants to travel, but wants to avoid conflict. Ending of pain. And kumbaga, napag-isipan na parang for now, okay muna na tahimik muna. It's the right decision. Okay? But gustong-gustong mag-offer ng love. The masculine energy is marami siyang pinaplano kung paano siya magkaroon ng reconciliation or reconnection with his person. Kaya lang parang walang natututunan. No? The reconnection card is in reverse. Na parang, how genuine ba talaga yung nagmo-motivate dun sa masculine energy? Kasi parang bumabalik siya, but paulit-ulit lang. No? Kumbaga, may natutunan ba talaga? Maraming doubts. Yung feminine energy here, kaya hindi siya nag-o-offer ng love kasi nararamdaman niya na parang kinakasual connection siya ng masculine energy. Ang dami niyang doubts. Maraming hindi na pag-uusapan, hindi ito yung gustong relationship because parang ang daming lies na nangyayari, no? Sa connection na to. The King of Wands is here. Yung masculine energy right now, quiet muna siya. Gusto niyang mag-deliver ng news, but right now, sabi niya, wag muna. Nagfo-focus siya, kasama niya mga friends, party. Let's see, drinking, partying. May mga nakikilalang bago. Let's see kung kayang isalba ang relasyon ng mga Libra. Alright. The reason for the reading is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. The feminine energy is like parang ayaw na niyang bigyan ng halaga o pagpapahalaga tong relationship na to because lagi na lang, every time na nagkakasundo, lagi na lang may dalang heartbreak or disappointment tong connection na to. Okay? So Libra, in the past, recent past, hindi mo tuloy alam yung gagawin kasi may mga trust issues na yung feminine energy dito. Nagpe-pray yung mga Libra na ipaglalaban pa ba? Gusto niyang ipaglaban, gustong ipaglaban ng mga Libra ang relationship na to. So, na humihingi ng signs kung paano aayusin. Okay? But right now, hindi kayang walang conversation na nangyayari. Kasi kung sino man yung nakasakit sa relationship na to, kung sino yung nagkaroon ng may nagawang hindi tama, nararamdaman niya na parang hindi rin naman siya ready to commit to this connection. Libra, sobrang ready ka na sa long-term plans, relationship, family. Alam mong maraming nangyaring hindi magandang situation dito, but very optimistic ka pa rin. And you're patiently waiting for your person na sana dumating na yung time na, maintindihan niya kung ano man yung mga nangyaring hindi maganda. Your person has the energy of the Fool card, new beginning, clean slate. Napapagod na yung person mo, the Strength card is in reverse. Napapagod na siyang mag-offer ng love. So, meron ka mga fear and doubt about this connection. sabi mo is natatakot ka na rin mag-promise or natatakot ka na sa mga promises. Kasi parang lagi na lang namang hindi natutuloy or hindi, hindi nagmamaterialize yung mga promises. Puro salita lang pero, yung words hindi nag-a-align sa actions. Lagi na lang may conflict. Sobrang hard work ng connection na to. Okay? In the next 3 months, this is a very strong soulmate connection but medyo karmic siya. In the next 3 months, nandun pa rin yung toxic energy na magdadala na naman ng sadness. I don't feel na magiging okay itong connection na to anytime soon. Meron ka rin mga hinihintay na financial blessings na maaaring magkaroon ng delays. So, ang mangyayari in the next 3 months, this would be like stalking, gathering of information, ano lang nangyari, nagde-date na ba ng iba yung person mo, mahihirapan ka to na mag-cut cords or i-detach yung energy mo sa person mo. This is parang sobrang shaky, hindi mo na rin alam kung anong gagawin mo, hindi mo rin alam kung paano to aayusin, nag-hold back pa rin, paikot-ikot lang, walang pinapatunguhan yung relationship. No? Sobrang nagkaroon ng trust issues. Susubukan namang makipag-ayos, but eto na naman, the reconnection card is in reverse. Talagang walang natututunan. Paulit-ulit lang yung masasakit na nangyari. Paulit-ulit lang, no, na parang napag-usapan na. Eto na naman, napag-usapan na, inulit na naman. So, someone would really parang mauubos na yung pasensya dito. And I don't think na very strong soulmate energy. Sayang kung hindi to maayos. And that is the Libra reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your June reading. Bye-bye, Libra!
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pangpaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.